Hello guys and welcome back into a new run video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your comments on GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the short answer is that you are not able to hide comments. As you can see here in Stack Overflow, as you can know, you can't hide comments, but there is an option to delete them from the history. So this case was being asked by this person when he realized that he had his access token that has been shown in his changes. And basically, all you will be needing is to uh, delete your commits from the history so you can have the commits not being seen. And basically, all you will need to do is to use this tool that will help you to erase the commits. So as you can see, the PFG repo cleaner is just an alternative to this Git tool, which is the Git filter branch. So now you will need just to go to your web browser and just type the BFG repo cleaner. And here we can just type a BFG repo cleaner and we'll find this, and then you can access to the website and understand how you can use it. So basically here all it will do is just to use some git command automatically so it can make the work easy. So basically you will be needing just to download it. As you can see, we need to download and basically you can start using it. So this is the usage how you can use this one. So first you will need to have a copy of your repo. That means you will need just to clone your repo and then you will be needing to push the changes as you always do. So basically you will use this one, and of course this should be the link to your repository, and make sure that you are using the branch or the option mirror, and then you will be needing to use the tool. So you will just type Java jar, and basically this is the name of tool, and those are just some options of the tool. And basically then you can start using all these uh, command, and then you will push the changes. And those are some example of these commands or this tool, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.